Good day, everyone. At JRB TechFix, we take pride in delivering top-notch repair services, and today we celebrate another successful LCD replacement. A damaged screen can be frustrating, whether it's a flickering display, unresponsive touch, or a completely shattered panel, but worry no more. With our expert hands, high-quality parts, and precision repair techniques, we've brought this device back to life. Good as new. At JRB Tech Fix, we don't just fix screens. We restore your productivity, entertainment, and peace of mind. So, if you're dealing with a cracked or faulty LCD, bring it to us, and we'll make your device look and function like brand new again. Quality repairs, fast service, and customer satisfaction. That's the JRB Tech Fix way. See you on your next Tech Fix.